Did you know that KvCore has artificial intelligence built into it? Let me show you what I'm talking about. So right here, you're looking at my screen, and this is my contact. I recommend every agent go in and put you as a contact. So this is my contact. Within my contact, you can see this is all the activity that I've sent myself through KvCore. And this activity is not something I'm doing on my own. I do it based on what's happening over here under the Actions tab. So as you can see, I have two different property alerts going on, and you can see I'm sending myself emails. This is all automated. I have a happy birthday notification going out. I'll receive that obviously on my birthday. I have a buyer nurture 1 year campaign, automatically goes in. I have done these core presentations. So I've done all this stuff, and I'm receiving this content as the system's sending it to me. So where is this coming from? How is this happening? Well, it comes over here, and you go to marketing, all marketing, up here, behavioral automation. This is the core of the system. Once you go through the uploading and you get everything set up, this is the core of the system right here. And this is the automation, and this is the artificial intelligence. Spend time on this panel to set up your automation, and it will ignite your business. So my name's Alex Dyer. I'm an agent here in the Sacramento metro area. I've taken a lot of time and invested into KvCore, and it's absolutely paid off because it has ignited my real estate business. If you need help setting up your KvCore, I do individual trainings. And if you're with a company that doesn't have a CRM system that has this sort of technology, come and talk to me. eXp Realty and KvCore is one of the fastest growing brokerages across the country right now and throughout the world. And the reason why is they're embracing these new technologies to help their agents grow.